Yo, what is up, guys? We are here today. We are gonna play a game that's kind of like Slenderman, but it really isn't. It's called White Noise. So enjoy, guys. Hold up. No, I'll be right back. Hold up, guys. All right, hold up. Hold up. Stupid freaking phone. There. Damn it! Hold on, guys. Yes, Alright, that should reduce the brightness on it, I think. Oh crap, hold up. Sorry if you hear this beep. This thing's so freaking stupid. Oh my god. Hold up. Crap. Here we go. Alright, let's start. Apparently this game is supposed to be like Slenderman, so you might hear me scream a lot. I get scared on that shit. Ooh, what the fuck? So I'm supposed to look for tape. Is that one? No, I found a tape. Oh crap! Ah! Oh shit. What the fuck? Oh crap! That shit just freaking spawned and disappeared. Oh crap. I don't want to go out there. I honestly do not want to go out there. Oh shit. Fucking scared right now. What the fuck? I can't move! What the hell? No! No! I can't move! No! Oh my god, I'm dead! I can't move, guys. Oh shit! Oh fuck. Fuck. Holy crap. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh fuck. I'm scared right now. Maybe you can see the map now? I don't know. Yeah, I think you can. That's the end. Well, that was our episode, guys. See you next time in White Noise Multiplayer Online.